In today's video, we're going to learn the way that you can start streaming using OBS Studios. If you're new to Twitch and you want to start streaming on it, in today's video, let me show you the process. Now, first of all, make sure that you have created your Twitch account. Once you've created your Twitch account, the second thing you need to do is download OBS Studios. Search for OBS Studios download and then click on the first link. Now, depending upon the device that you're using, most of you will be using Windows, so just click on the Windows option and the OBS Studios will start to download and will install on your device. Now, once the installation process is complete, open up OBS Studios. I'm currently using OBS Studios to record this video as well. Now, once you successfully install OBS Studios, the next thing you need to do is head over to Twitch, log into your account. Once you're inside of your account, click on the profile icon on the top right, and then head over to create a dashboard. Once you're inside of the creator dashboard, you'll need to get something called a stream key, which you can connect to your OBS Studios. Head over to settings and then click on stream. This is your private stream key. You can just copy in this key, open up OBS Studios, head over to settings, and then head over to stream. Make sure Twitch is selected and then click on use stream key. Now here you just need to paste in the key that you just copied over from Twitch, and you can just click on get stream key and then click on apply. Now once this step is complete, there are a few other things that you need to do. Head over to output, and inside of streaming option, you need to select the streaming video bitrate and the audio bitrate. You can increase and decrease this based upon how you want your quality to be. Higher the numbers, the better the quality. But also make sure to look at the settings on your desktop or your laptop from where you're streaming. Next up, head over to audio, and here you need to select the mic that you're going to use to stream. On the mic auxiliary option, if you have plugged in a mic, it will show up. You can just select the mic option and then you'll be ready to go. You can just click on apply and then OK. Lastly, what you need to do is select a source, which is the source to display the stream. Click on the plus icon right here. You can select the display capture option. Click on OK, and a display capture like this will be added to the source and your screen will be captured as so. So that was a quick and easy process on the way that you can use OBS Studios to stream on Twitch. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up.